Alright guys, welcome back to the video. So I have a nice little program for you guys to, you know, download, and it's called Bitdefender. So you may be asking, alright, let's open the Bitdefender as you can see. So this is the free edition, because I don't want to pay for, I don't want to pay. But hey, it comes with a lot of stuff, so you can it's just, very, very easy to use. It tells you if your device is protected or not. And I actually have technically two antiviruses. I have the Windows Security, it says I'm, protected, and Bitdefender as well as my, second layer of protection. So, you click system scan, and then it's just going to easily, scan for all the files, and then it's going to give you the results. So, actually, I haven't scanned in a really long time. So, yeah, it shows you your events. So, if you click on the settings, there, you will see the events, and it's just gonna tell you all the events all the scans, all on demand scans, the web thread. Now, actually, the web thread is really cool. So whatever browser you have, I'm just gonna open Edge here. For example, let's say I have Bitdefender installed in here. If I go on a malicious website, it's gonna block. It's gonna block it. It's gonna block the website telling Bitdefender has blocked this website. So that's a pretty nice little add-on. Even if and this also that's actually included in the free version of Bitdefender. And then you got some other junk. So you got protection. This is just protection shield. Obviously, you should have it on. It's a really, really reliable and reliable and easy to use antivirus. Now, obviously, if you upgrade, as you can see, if you download the free version, you will see here upgrade to the next security level. So I'm just gonna close this here, and I'll go to show you where will you download this Bitdefender. Wait, let's open this download. And then it's gonna. Alright, sorry guys, my internet speed isn't very, very great actually. It's not very good, as you can see. It's not very good. But in just a couple seconds, you should be able to find out that it'll get. Wait, so let me. Alright, there it is. So the first results, don't click it. Go here, Bitdefender antivirus free. I will leave a link. I will leave a link in the description down below so you can um you know find out. Let me actually open the notepad. Grab a new notepad here. Gonna just easily put this here, and then later once I upload the video, it should be able to. You should be able to click this link, and it's gonna leave you. It's gonna lead you. Sorry, redirect you to the Bitdefender antivirus free website. And all you do is just download it and then install it, and then that's it. So I'm not really gonna go on the process because I already have it. And yeah, well, I guess that's it. Really, that's it. And it's always gonna run. It's always runs. Now I have it on run it on startup because, well, I need it obviously. It's always checks for junk and stuff like that. So yeah, that's really it for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you.